How to set up a home access roller ramp. Carefully take the ramp out of the box. Remove the bubble wrap and roll out the ramp. Ramp is rolled easiest on its side. The upper end of the ramp will be labeled with a sticker, as shown here. Make sure you have at least the approach plate and at least one link on a flat surface, as shown here. Caution covers may need to be adjusted when unpacked. Now you're ready to enjoy the strength and flexibility of your roller ramp. Roller ramp, where strength and flexibility meet.